India's 3 biggest criminal law updates explained. Stay updated on the latest developments in India's criminal law landscape. In this video, we break down the 3 biggest criminal law updates that you need to know about. From significant amendments to the criminal code to landmark court decisions, we'll delve into the implications of these changes on the Indian judiciary and criminal justice system. Whether you're a legal professional, a student of law, or simply interested in staying informed about current affairs, this video is for you. Get expert insights into the latest policy changes and legal reforms that are shaping the future of India's rule of law. So watch till the end to stay ahead of the curve and enhance your legal awareness. Hi, I am Advocate Dr. Saurav Kapoor, bringing you a video on this fascinating topic like this. But before you start watching this video, I request you to kindly like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to my YouTube channel to view videos like this more. Please leave a comment below, telling your thought and idea about this video and future videos you want. Kindly share this video with your friends, family, and social groups to spread this knowledge. Join me as I dive into the 3 biggest criminal law updates in India for 2024 and try to explain them in a way that's easy to understand. India has seen many significant changes in its criminal law framework recently, and it's essential to stay informed about these updates. These changes can have a significant impact on our society, and understanding them can help us become more aware citizens. Criminal law updates can be complex and confusing, but they have the potential to shape our society's future. With the rise of crimes and the need for more effective law enforcement, it's crucial to examine these updates closely. In this video, we'll be discussing the 3 biggest criminal law updates in India, what they entail, and how they'll affect the legal system. So, let's dive right in. One of the primary concerns in India is public safety. With the increasing number of crimes, it's become essential to address the loopholes in our current criminal law framework. The present framework has many flaws, and these updates aim to rectify them. Public safety concerns are a significant issue in India. We've seen numerous cases of crimes going unpunished due to the lack of effective laws. The current framework has failed to provide adequate protection to citizens, and these updates aim to change that. The current criminal law framework has many legal loopholes that need to be addressed. These loopholes have often led to criminals going scot-free, which has further exacerbated the problem of public safety. One of the main reasons for these updates is the need for stricter laws. The current laws have been inadequate in deterring criminals, and these updates aim to create a more effective deterrent. The lack of effective laws has also led to a lack of trust in the legal system. Citizens have lost faith in the system's ability to deliver justice, and these updates aim to restore that trust. Another significant issue is the lack of accountability. The current framework has failed to hold criminals accountable for their actions, and these updates aim to change that. The current framework has also failed to provide adequate protection to victims. Victims' rights have often been neglected, and these updates aim to change that. The updates also aim to reduce the backlog of cases in Indian courts. The current framework has led to a massive backlog of cases, and these updates aim to streamline the legal process. The need for more effective law enforcement is another significant reason for these updates. The current framework has failed to provide adequate support to law enforcement agencies, and these updates aim to change that. The updates also aim to address the issue of corruption in the legal system. Corruption has been a significant problem in India, and these updates aim to tackle it head-on. With these updates, the government aims to create a more effective and efficient legal system. The updates aim to make the legal process faster, more effective, and more accountable. Let's move on to the 3 major updates in detail. The first update is related to the amendment of the Indian Penal Code. This amendment aims to make punishments more severe for certain crimes. The amendment also aims to create a more effective deterrent. The current laws have failed to deter criminals, and this update aims to change that. The second update is related to the establishment of fast-track courts. These courts will aim to reduce the backlog of cases in Indian courts. The fast-track courts will operate on a priority basis, with the aim of disposing of cases within a specified time frame. The third update is related to the use of technology in law enforcement. This update aims to make law enforcement more effective and efficient. The use of technology will aim to reduce the time taken to investigate crimes and bring criminals to justice. Each of these updates has the potential to significantly impact the legal system in India. They aim to make the system more effective, efficient, and accountable. One of the most compelling aspects of these updates is the debate surrounding the severity of punishments. Some argue that stricter punishments will lead to a decline in crime rates, while others argue that it will lead to greater corruption. This debate highlights the need for a more nuanced approach to criminal law. It's essential to find a balance between punishing criminals and protecting human rights. The updates have also sparked a debate on the role of technology in law enforcement. Some argue that technology will improve the efficiency of law enforcement, while others argue that it will lead to greater surveillance and erosion of civil liberties. This debate highlights the need for greater transparency and accountability in the use of technology in law enforcement. In conclusion, these three criminal law updates have the potential to significantly impact the legal system in India. They aim to make the system more effective, efficient, and accountable. It's essential for citizens to stay informed about these updates and understand their implications. Thanks for watching. Do share your thoughts on these updates in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated on current affairs, be sure to check out my other video on recent developments in Indian politics.